What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today, we're doing a special broadcast on a Thursday. Y'all know I don't generally broadcast on a Thursday, but I couldn't pass up this national holiday. Today is National Chili Dog Day and Hamburger Day. Whoever decided to put these two holidays together either was drunk or worked for the government. Probably both. But anyway, we actually gonna do is combine these two together. We're gonna do a chili dog hamburger today. If you fat, you're gonna be happy with this one. If you're not fat, you're gonna become fat. That's right, people. Pull up a chair, you're going to enjoy this one. Ingredients to make your homemade chili for this portion. Some Meat Church Texas chili seasoning, 1 pound of ground pork, 1 pound of either ground beef or ground turkey. I'm going with the ground turkey. Some bell peppers, some chopped onions, 1 can of diced tomatoes. I'm going with the chili ready variety. And some Tabasco's chili starter. You can go with the spicy or the original, doesn't matter. While the pot is heating up, we're going to go ahead and get the pit balls all ready to go. We're going to go ahead and open up the lid, turn it on, turn it to smoke. Let all that nasty white smoke at the beginning exit out. Don't want any of that in our chili. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start making our chili. Pour down a little oil so the meat don't stick. Go ahead, pour in our ground pork. Put in our ground turkey. And start browning it off. This is going to take a couple minutes, so I'll bring you back after it's all browned up. We're close to being done on the ground beef, so I'm going to add in some competition brisket shake from Saints and Sinners. Just to kick it up a little extra notch there. Now we're going to go ahead and throw in some of our diced onions. And in some of our bell peppers. Let that mix around for a little bit. And we'll be right back. It's been a couple minutes. Everything's coming along nicely. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our diced tomatoes, juice and all. It's got those chili peppers in there and everything else like that. We're also going to add in our Tabasco's chili starter. This is going to take the place of adding in any cup of water or anything like that. This also adds in some extra added tomatoes and chili peppers and all the rest of that stuff. Now we're also going to add in some of that Meat Church chili seasoning. As you saw in one of the previous videos, this stuff is oh so good. Gives you a nice little bit of heat to it. Just a couple tablespoons. Of course, I'm making it nice big heaping tablespoons in there, because I like mine nice and spicy and got that nice chili flavor to it. Once our pit boss comes up to temp, we're going to go ahead and throw this on the grill. We're going to let this go for at least 2 hours. Let this all meld together before we move on to our next step. Now that all the white smoke is exited out, we're going to go ahead and shut down the grill lid and turn it up to 250 degrees. Go ahead and throw this on the grill real quick. Now I said 2 hours. And we're gonna be done with the chili. Just checked it. Oh yeah, we done. So I'm gonna pull it off now. We're gonna move on to our next step. Got our Royal Oak started up. Alright, got the fire rolling. We're going to put on some burgers and some dogs now. We're going to use up some Saints and Sinners brisket seasoning. This is their beef rub. Throw it all over that. Then we're going to throw on some of these dogs. I'm going to hit it up with that beef seasoning there too. There we go. Pop that top on top. Gonna let it go for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna check it. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. We're gonna go ahead and turn these dogs over. Starting to get a little bit of a char on them. Starting to plump up a little. Our burgers are coming along nicely. So we're going to keep letting them rock and roll. Let's go ahead and check these dogs. Oh yeah, these dogs are done. Let's go ahead and pull them off real quick. Since we're almost done with the burgers, we're going to put one of them in the center here. Put some cheese down on top of it. Let that cheese do its magic. Oh yeah, look at that. then we're done. Took a couple hours to take care of all that chili. Get it to that right spot that I like to do it. Most people, according to the box, it says take about 30 minutes to do it. I subscribe to go ahead and do it a couple hours. Let all that flavor meld together. But that's just me. You know, you do your chili how you like to do it. You want to do a couple hours, do a couple hours. You want to do 30 minutes, go ahead and do a 30-minute chili. But each their own. Now, let's go on and do this burger. Or chili dog. Or chili dog burger. Sure is going to be messy. Oh yeah, hits both spots. Got that chili dog flavor with the dog and the chili. Then you got that burger with the meat. Oh, so good. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.